Here I have Xiaomi 15T, 15T Pro, and let me show you on this example how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. Let's begin. So at the very beginning you need to switch off the device, so let's use the power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys until the following menu pops up. Now you need to swipe up to power off the device. So let's wait. Now when the phone is completely turned off, you need to use the same combination of keys, so power key and volume up. You need to keep holding both keys together, and when the Mi logo pops up, you need to release only power key. So let's do it. Let's wait. Mi logo. So now you need to only keep holding the volume up. And this is the Xiaomi Hyper-S Recovery Mode. Here you can use both volume keys to navigate, and you can use power key to confirm options. As you can see, you can choose wipe data, so you can perform the hard reset operation to remove all personal data, customize settings, apps, etc. You can connect your device with Mi Assistant, or you can restore system. If you have some backups, you can restore the system backup from the following position. If not, if you just simply want to quit the recovery mode, let's choose the first position, which is reboot. Press power key to confirm it. And here let's confirm the operation by choosing reboot to system again. And that's it. The phone is restarting and booting into a normal mode. And that's it, now you can use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.